In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gauge chart on Visme. Whether you're creating a presentation, report, or infographic, a gauge chart can be a fantastic tool to visually represent data, especially when you want to highlight a single metric like a percentage of completion or a performance indicator. Let's begin by opening up a project in Visme. If you haven't already, log into your Visme account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific project where you'd like to incorporate this gauge chart. This could be any type of project you're working on, perhaps a detailed presentation, an insightful report, or even a vibrant infographic. The flexibility Visme offers allows us to add engaging visuals to virtually any type of document with ease. If you're looking for a quick starting point, you might want to explore the available templates that Visme offers. Head over to the template section if you wish. This step is optional, but using a template can often save time and provide inspiration by offering pre-designed layouts that you can easily tweak to suit your needs. Now, let's move forward and add a gauge chart. In the Visme editor, direct your attention to the Data tab located on the left sidebar. Visme does a great job with its user-friendly interface, making it simple for us to locate the tools we need. Once you're in the Data tab, click on Data Widgets. This is where you'll find a variety of tools to visually represent your data. What we're looking for is the radial gauge widget, or a similar option, because this will create that distinct gauge chart style we're aiming for. Once you've selected the radial gauge widget, it's time to customize it to fit your project's theme and requirements. Click on the widget to bring up its settings panel. Here, you can adjust several parameters to tailor the widget to your data. Start by setting the minimum and maximum values for your gauge. This setup helps outline the scale your gauge will use. Next, input the current value, which is the focal data point you want to visualize. It's this value that will be prominently displayed. Colors play a significant role in data visualization, making your information not only attractive, but also more understandable. Use the color settings to choose shades that align with your project's theme or to highlight different sections of the gauge. Animation speed is another exciting feature to consider, especially if you want to add a dynamic touch to your chart. Faster animations can draw attention, while slower speeds may provide a more relaxed and steady feel. Don't forget to adjust the text style, picking a font and size that will ensure readability and consistency with the rest of your project. With these customizations, you can create a gauge chart that is not only informative, but visually compelling. And there you have it. You now know how to create and customize a gauge chart in Visme, a great addition to any data-driven project. Happy creating, and thanks for watching.